Carbon monoxide, a gas created by burning fuel. Cars, heaters, generators, even your fireplace. One small leak and your home becomes a death trap. It creeps into your lungs, stealing oxygen from your blood. A headache, dizziness, confusion. By the time you realize, it's too late. Every year, over 400 people in the US die from CO poisoning. Thousands more are hospitalized. It doesn't discriminate. It can happen to anyone, anywhere. To prevent this, install carbon monoxide detectors on every floor. Check vents, never run generators indoors, and always keep the area well ventilated. Sleep tight, but sleep smart. Subscribe and share to prevent carbon monoxide poisoning.